Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is August the 23rd, 2022. Do you all think that Ethereum Classic is going to get on the bandwagon with the Ethereum merge? Do you think the price for Ethereum Classic is going to benefit from the merge? Well, I'm going to talk about that today off of this video. So welcome everyone to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I produce price predictions without the confusion. So many people here on this particular platform causes a whole lot of confusion. I've recognized that, so I said let me come through and help out the community and show you all that it doesn't take all that just to figure out where prices are going to go. You guys want to join me? Welcome. You guys can do that by hitting the like button, sharing, and also subscribing to my channel if you all appreciate it. Let's work together. Now check this out. Did a video in Ethereum Classic right here on July the 28th. You guys can see the price prediction is still here. I was playing the strength into the market at that particular moment in time, and that is exactly what Ethereum Classic has completed. It did go higher. Now, I wasn't massively bullish. I wasn't I wasn't expecting the price in Ethereum Classic to run up to $69 or $70, nothing like that. I only had my ultimate TP price around 38. Right, I wasn't massively bullish. I said, yeah, we are noticing some strength on the chart in Ethereum Classic, but let's not get overly excited. Okay, so you guys can see that for the most part, Ethereum Classic has traded up there around 44. That's where the high's been, and I was around 38. So either way it go, whether you got it around 44, 46, or 38, congratulations, because you won in the market. You was already in position to get 14%. At the highs of around 45, 46, you could have gotten 36. So what we do here, we continually come in and profit out of these price moves because we are in position to capitalize from it. Now let's talk about this here though, because a lot has changed since then. We've seen the market in Ethereum Classic, you guys can see it, right? Come down back to this trend line, which started back in mid-July. We came back recently 2 days ago and saw the market in Ethereum Classic bounce from that particular trend line. So that is going to be our focal point. We need to pay attention to the market in Ethereum Classic right there. Next thing, you guys can see that we had an opportunity to trade above this downtrend line in Ethereum Classic. Now we are trading well below it. We're at a crossroads. Which of those lines is going to be vital into where Ethereum Classic is going to go? My intention is going to be here. Okay, I want you all to understand and see that for us, we recognize that the volume is the lifeblood of any particular market. It provides the liquidity. It lets us know where the flow of the money is going, how much involved are the participants in the particular market that we're interested in. Look right there, August the 19th. The market was real active on that day. Now you guys can see on the price bar, the market in Ethereum Classic fell 16.75% that day. That is a pretty big monumental move, right? Now that was on the 19th. Here it is, the 23rd, and the market in Ethereum Classic has not acted the same. The market is still holding its own weight. All of that selling that came in on the 19th is not impacting the price today. The buyers are definitely still in the market in Ethereum Classic, keeping price from falling. Okay, and it's right here at our ascending line. So this is going to be important. Okay, let me pinpoint this out to you all. This is where the buyers are at. Okay, you guys can see this. The market is already letting us know where the buyers are willing to open up their wallets and continually buy Ethereum Classic. So if we ever see the price in Ethereum Classic fall below $32, I'm here to tell you right now, the market's going to go a lot lower in price, especially seeing that we are trading so close to this ascending line. So look at this on the 3-day chart. Okay, so you guys can see even here on this 3-day chart right here, okay, that the market in Ethereum Classic saw a monumental move to the downside, 17.5%. But on the following 3 days, the market did not do the same thing. Instead, the market closed higher. So it gives me that the market has found a stable ground. Whoever came through on this particular 3-day price bar just wanted to get out the way, but it wasn't massive in terms of weakness. The buyers were still willing to buy Ethereum Classic. So that is why over the last 3 days, price has not fallen to the downside. Okay, now it could just be a momentarily thing, it could just be a moment to which price won't fall. Okay, so I wanted to look at this on an hourly chart real quick, and you all can see that currently the basis, the support is still here on the hourly time frame, but that does not mean that price is through going down. Okay, we need to see Ethereum Classic begin its upward trend to break out these restriction areas. We need to see it begin to go back up. Okay, because currently this is where the market is hitting its head. This is where the market is currently having issues breaking price above, which is around $34.26, give or take. That's the area. The buyers cannot take that area out right now. So even though we may be understanding and seeing that the buyers are coming through, they have to break this level first before we even think about the market moving higher in price. We have to see that first. If we don't, I'm here to tell you right now, today, that expect Ethereum Classic to continue to trend to the downside. Okay, here to tell you that right now. So what I'm going to do though, I think we have a little bit more strength. I'm not going to be massively bullish considering what we saw on the 19th of August, but I am going to look for the price to go up. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart and give you your time back. All right, so real quick, I'm not going to be massively bullish. Okay, I want to put that out right now, but let's see how high we can expect the market in Ethereum Classic to go. First area that's going to cause problems outside of this particular area, around $35, it's going to be up here towards 36. Okay, that's around 7% movement in Ethereum Classic there. And then my second one is going to be right there around 37. Okay, now that's it. I'm not going to look for the market in Ethereum Classic to really give us that much strength outside of that right now, because of what we've seen right here on the 19th with this high volume. Could we see the market go exceedingly higher than that? Yes, we can, which is why we are already in position. Okay, and my support area is going to be down there around $28.25. Okay, now no, I'm gonna bring that up to 30, because if the market in Ethereum Classic breaks this ascending line, we should not be expecting the price to go back up. Okay, so that's why I'm just going to let it ride down to around 30. If the price breaks 30, again, we already know that we need to get out the play and understand that the market is not going to work in our favor. Okay, so again, the price targets outside of $35, we're going to look around 36 and then $37.20, give or take. Let me extend this out just a little bit further. I really don't think this is going to take long for the market in Ethereum Classic to give us this quick move to the upside. So if you see this late, market has already probably moved. Questions, comments, let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.